Before we wrap up RFE, recursive feature elimination, let's deep dive into the working process in detail. So, recursive feature elimination algorithm does not have any specific mathematical equation or mathematical formula, as it is an iterative process that depends on the chosen machine learning model and the evaluation metric used. So, however, the general steps involved in RFE can be summarized as follows. Step 1, choose a machine learning model and select a model suitable for the task at hand, such as a linear regression, logistic regression, or a decision tree. Then we have the second step, train the initial model. So fit the chosen model using the available features in the dataset. So then we will move on to the third step, assign feature importance scores. Determine the importance of each feature in the initial model. So the method for calculating the feature importance depends on the model used. For example, in a linear regression, the absolute value of the coefficients can be used as a measure of importance, while the decision trees can provide a feature importance scores based on how often a feature is selected or selected for splitting. And the fourth step, eliminate the least importance features or remove the feature with the lowest importance score from the dataset. Then retrain the model, fit the model again using the updated data set with the eliminated features removed. Then once you retrain the model by fitting the model again using the updated data set with the eliminated feature removed, now we will evaluate the model performance. Assess the performance of the model using a chosen evaluation metric such as accuracy, mean squared error, area under the curve AUC. Then we have to repeat these steps 3 to 6 3 to 6, which is assign feature importance score, eliminate the least importance feature, retrain the model, and evaluate the model performance. These three steps, these four steps, repeat steps 3 to 6 iteratively, repeat the feature selection and model retraining process until a desired number of features remain or until a specific stopping criterion is met. Example, a predetermined number of iterations. Then last step that we have here, determine the optimal feature subset. Select the subset of features that resulted in the best model performance based on the evaluation metric. So the process of RFE involves iteratively eliminating the least important feature and retraining the model until a desired subset of features is obtained. So the specific formula or mathematical equation used for calculating the feature importance may vary depending on the chosen machine learning model and evaluation metric.